Create a video using exactly this script.
Unboxing and first impressions.
Title: Unboxing the latest iPhone 16. First impressions and features.
So, here we are with the unboxing. It's always intriguing to see what's new, but let's be real. How many of these features are actually necessary? Are we just seeing more of the same with a few tweaks? As I go on with this video, I would greatly appreciate it if you could like and subscribe to support my channel.
You know, unboxing videos are super popular and it's pretty clear why. Everyone wants to get that first detailed look before they decide to buy. It's like a sneak peek into what you're investing in, which is pretty cool.
Unboxing videos add a human touch to the technology. It's not just about seeing the gadget, it's about experiencing the first moments with it through someone else's eyes. That connection is what really pulls people in. So, as we wrap up, let's consider the settings and how they enhance the user experience. It's these details that can really make or break your decision to embrace new technology. Remember to keep your finger on the pulse for our next video escapade. Thank you for tuning in, and I'd love to hear your feedback in the comments section. Remember to show some love by hitting the like button and subscribing for more content.